Here you guys is lesson 9 of unit 1, and we're going to go talk about the atomic bomb today. Here's an article I want you to go through and read it and stuff like that. And while you're going through this website, I want you to write down main notes from it and stuff like that. And then I want you to create a screencast of you going through the website, explaining in your own words. Don't want you reading off the main website, reading the actual words off the website. I want you to do on your own, in your own words, what the article is telling you. It has to be around 2 to 3 minutes long. I think this is a pretty easy assignment, so it shouldn't be that hard for you guys to do. I want you guys to know about the atomic bomb, what happened, why it was dropped and stuff. And so that would be a good thing if you guys could do that. This is the last major, and this is the last assignment. The last assignment is going to be basically a summary of what you guys did over the past 9 lessons, and the last 8 lessons, including this one. So, we'll see you for lesson 10.